guys, Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic. I'm gonna come on here today and bring you a haul, a not so very small haul. I went shopping over the last week or so. I have some things from Dollar Tree, Target, World Market, Five and Below, and I think that's it. And I'll show it to you. I think I got another little Target haul too. So I'm just going to jump on and do it a different way this time. I'm going to spread it out on the table because I'm heading out to work. But I wanted to get this video on for you real quick. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. We are a little over 950. So we are so close to 1,000. And please, I'm going to link the video in the iCards above up here. Let me know what you'd like to see in a giveaway. I've got a couple of ideas, but I'd like to know what you'd like because it's because of you that I've gotten where I've gotten. And once again, I want to say thank you so much. I would have never guessed in less than a year ago that me just showing people the things I decorate and the things I buy would get me to 1,000 subscribers. So I really, really, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it. And I will see you in a minute. Okay, this is just part of my Dollar Tree. It wouldn't all fit on this little corner of the table. So I'll go over this and then I'll do the floral part. I bought another one of these because I couldn't find them anymore. So I grabbed it. The only bunny I could find was the blue one, which is fine. I got 2 more bags of rocks because one bag wasn't enough to hold my little light on my porch. This cute little bunny stand. These little Easter eggs. I think I have one from last year. It's a candle. I wanted to do some decoupage with this paper. It's just soft tissue paper. These were so adorable. They're little thank you cards or note cards with envelopes, and they've got the little bicycles. 2 more pairs of these socks. The other ones were more of like a pantyhose type. These are actual socks. This is what I was looking for. I went to this really big Dollar Tree that's in Raleigh, which usually has things I'm looking for when our local one doesn't. I got this candle, although it has an octopus on it. But I'm going to turn it around and put it in my bathroom. It smells really good. But I just thought the color of it was really pretty. I got these Easter eggs for DIY. I got these little doilies to go into the chargers that you saw in my last haul. I wanted to put something in them to make them look a little bit more Eastery. So I picked these up. There's actually 32 of them in here, different sizes. But I think I'm going to have to use the medium one for mine. I picked up some reindeer moss for DIY. And then I picked up some of this filler. Alright, I picked up 3 wreaths. And what I'm going to do is make a bunny. See, there's a small one. It doesn't tell you what width it is. But there's the small one. There's the large one, and then I have another large one, but this one I'm going to break apart and put these 2 together and make my bunny ears out of. So I got these 3, and now we're going to get on to the floral. Okay, I did pick up, found in a bag, 2 of these little Easter eggs, 12 count, and I was thinking about making a topiary, and I was looking for the little styrofoam kind of triangle pine cone things looking like this. Several occasions I've looked for them, couldn't find them. So I bought these 2 cones. Not sure if I'm going to use them yet. I was thinking about spray painting them. But I'm just going to go through the flowers really quickly because y'all have all seen them. And this is what I'm going to put on my Easter bunny that I'm making. So I got several of the same ones. This was something new I hadn't seen before. I got 2 bundles of those. Some hydrangeas. So I got about 10 bundles of flowers from the Dollar Tree. And this ruler, I've tried to show you my last video, but I had that blooper and I forgot to go back on. So I wanted to show you this ruler that come from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a plastic sleeve, and it is a metal ruler. I thought this was so neat if you're going to be cutting. This was so neat if you were going to be cutting like straight lines or doing, doing projects. It's very good. It's a nice ruler. I've never seen one there before. All right, enough about the ruler. Market. These little plates is what I've been looking for. I've went in Marshall's, I went in Ross, I went in everywhere, Target, Walmart. Nobody has any little plates because I want to put them up here because I usually change that out for the seasons. So I found these. Is that not adorable? And it was at World Market, and they were $2.49 and they were 20% off. So I got 2 of them. And that was all I went in there for. Just they were right there. Ross, Marshall's, all right there in a row in a little shopping strip. So I was like, let me just jump in there real quick and see if they have them. And they had tons more. But this is just what I picked. And then I just found this little basket. And I thought, well, I could use that year round because I have birds and things in my living room. And it was $2.99 and it was 20% off. So I paid a little less than $8 for all 3 of these pieces. And I jumped in 5 and below. I don't know if y'all have a 5 and below in your town, but I want to go ahead and throw this in. It is just a bunny bag, and they had 2 different ones. I got the ones with the striped, the polka dots, but they had the stripe. Isn't it so cute? It's got the blue nose and the blue ties. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this full of stuffing. Usually I stuff it full of the plastic Walmart bags, and I'm going to put it in the chair in the dining room. But you'll see all this. Everything I'm showing you, I'm going to try to decorate this week for Easter. So you'll see a video coming up on that. Okay, all right. Here is my Target haul. And I want you to know I went to 2 different Targets trying to find this stuff. And when I got there, I couldn't find anything really. I found these, really wanted these. Found them laying in an odd spot in the Bullseye Playground area. They were $1. They're just the little sticky labels. And then this is something I really wanted. It's a chore checklist. It was $1. I thought that was really neat. I really was looking for that, and I found that, so I was excited. I did find these 2 things because I'm going to do an Easter DIY. And I actually got some bunny ears at the Dollar Tree, but these were better. And they were $1, and they've got the little quilted. And then this is a headband, but I'm going to use it as a necktie. This runner, been looking at a runner, went to Marshall's, went to Ross, I've been everywhere. And these runners are running anywhere from $8 if you're lucky, and I didn't like it, to $17, $20. So I found this one for $3 at Target. But guess where I found it? Over in the food aisle, over in the other side of the store. It just happened to be laying there. And I just picked it up. So I was very excited about that. It's got all the pretty colors I want to use. Then I found this little tea towel, and it was $1, and I thought it was pretty. It just had the little mint green. And then I found these 2. They're just little wooden blocks. They don't have a price on them, but she charged me, that one didn't. They were $1 a piece. I thought they'd be really cute. And these 2 little things I've not seen in a haul from anybody from Target. They did not have a price on them, but she charged me $1. And they had a couple of other little things. See, this one's got a little broke edge on it, but I'm going to be putting it in like this so you're not be able to see it. So I got these 2 things I thought would make nice for a spring fairy garden. I got the little wooden eggs just because I use them for all kinds of things, and you can only find them at Easter. And they were $3. And then this, I wanted it so bad. And they had one that was pink. And like I said, I like to buy things that I can use over and over and over again. So this one was over, it was $3. It's the pretty blue teal that I can use year round. And I found this over in the appliances where the little toasters and microwave ovens and stuff, it was just sitting on the shelf. I was so excited. So that is my Target haul. I was really excited to what I found. I did find a lot of the things I was looking for. All right. Let's see what's next. This is my very small Walmart haul. I went back to see if they had any more of the Farmhouse decor. And I found this little thing for $1.98. I figured I couldn't make that for $2. Because you'd have to buy the pot, spray paint, and all the flowers. So I got that. And then I was looking for some tulips. And I meant to go by Hobby Lobby yesterday, but time ran out on me and I didn't get to. So I did get 2 bundles of flowers at Walmart. And Walmart's flowers are only 97 cents. But I found these, what are they, peonies? I don't know. There's the name. I just thought they were pretty. And then lilies. I love lilies. And then another pack of these. So 2 pack of these. And it looks like I'm missing one. Make sure you check your flowers when you buy them. But, so that was all in my Walmart haul. Alright, let me just show you what I did real quick, a glimpse. Can't see for the light. There you go. See my little plates? That's what I wanted with the plates. But you'll see a home tour really soon of all the things I've got and where I put everything. Real soon of the DIYs. I'm going to try really hard to video them while I'm doing them. So stay tuned for that. I just wanted to pop this in. Also, I went by Victoria's Secrets. I had to return 2 items. And I had a bunch of coupons that they had sent me in the mail. So I wanted to just show you this. I don't know if you use these socks, which they were very expensive. I think they were like after coupons $8 for 2 pair. But they are the best. I'm very picky about my socks. And they are the best feeling socks. So I don't wear socks often, but when I do, I want something really nice. So I got 2 packs of socks for $8. I got my 2 free pair of panties. You know, when you go in there, you always get the coupon with a purchase. I had 2. I got this lip stain. Let me tell you, this is some really good lip stain. It feels good on your lips. They've got buy 2, get 1 free right now. Plus, I had some coupons. But this one is a little bit dark for me. It's Drama. The other 2, sorry, I gave one to my daughter and one's in my car. They're a little bit lighter color. But this might be nice for like Christmas and winter and stuff. And then I got these leggings for, they're just capris for the summer. Okay. Well, also, I stood in line for 30 minutes at Victoria's Secrets to just to purchase the stuff and return something on a Sunday afternoon. So anyway, thanks. Alright guys, that's it for the haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love the World Market. I am blown away with World Market. I will definitely be going back there. Shopping again. It's a little bit pricey, so you kind of got to wait for sales or get coupons. But they had some of the nicest farmhouse stuff in there. I could have really spent a lot of money in that place. But that wasn't what I was looking for. I was looking for Easter stuff. Trying to get my house ready for spring. Got to go to a couple Goodwills because we've got the $5 Goodwill Challenge coming up for Spring Edition. Usually ahead of the game on that, but I haven't had time and I haven't found anything in the thrift stores lately. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, hit the little bell so you'll be notified when I put up a video. And until next time.